the nude collection, and I want to open the box and show you what it's looking like. Here. Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all LA Colors Cosmetics nude collection. Yes, I am just too excited about the launch of this nude collection, so I'm here today to share it with you all. And I already indulged into this collection because it created the eye look in which you are seeing, and that video is coming up very shortly. So anyway, here's the nude collection, and I want to open the box and show you what it's looking like. Here we go. Ta-da! This is the entire nude collection. They came all the way through, okay? They created not one, not two, but 3 different nude eyeshadow palettes that has 18 eyeshadows to each palette, okay? 18 fabulous eyeshadows. You got some shimmers, you got some mattes. They're not chalky when applied. They blend effortlessly easy because, like I said, the eye look that I'm wearing, one of these palettes already created. So they also gave you 9 different nail polishes to complement the looks that you can create from the eyeshadow palette. So each nail polish is a gel nail polish that's giving you a salon quality gel manicured type look without the salon quality gel manicured look course, okay? So LA Colors came all the way through, but I don't just want to stand here and show you the palette. So what I'm going to do is let you see it up close and personal, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, dolls, we're starting out with the Nude Rush palette, and let me tell you something. One thing I don't like is, you see how they put the name right here on the protective cover, but when you pull it off, there's no name shown. That's the only thing I dislike about these palettes, but aside from that, I'm going to go ahead and swatch, because color you see, you are definitely going to get. Look at that right there. Gorgeous! Yes! These eyeshadows are not chalky when applied. They blend effortlessly easy. And here is the Muse palette, which is my favorite. Why? Because it's the one that created the eye look that I'm wearing in this video. And as you can see, I done dug all in these eyeshadows. But just like the Rush palette, these eyeshadows are not chalky when applied, and they still blending flawlessly, okay? I'm going to show it to you one more time. I'm going to give you another swatch so you can see how beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. When it comes to these palettes, let me tell y'all something. If you're ready to take your natural look to the next level, the Nude Collection eyeshadow palettes are definitely what's for you. You can get a rush of color or feel like a Muse, or bring the heat like this palette right here. Any eye look that you create will come out looking so well done, because you have 18 beautiful eyeshadows to play around with. They're crafted in an array of textures. You can create multi-dimensional looks with shimmers, satins, and matte finishes to elevate your natural look. By the way, those 2 are my favorite. And this is the heat palette, but now we're moving into the nail polishes, because this is the clear gel polish. We all know what clear gel polishes can do, but let me show you the rest of the Nude collection. Each one will have their name to the left hand side of the screen. This one is called Tender, and let me tell you about these gel polishes, because they're not new to my channel. I already have an exclusive LA Colors playlist sharing with you all various colors of these gel nail polishes that I have used before in the past, but you can easily stay on trend with these gel nail polishes, because color you see, look at this, one stroke, you're definitely going to get. These polishes, they do not apply streaky. They finish in a gel type finish, and you can easily stay on trend with classic colors that will complement any skin tone. They are available in 8 different colors from the Nude collection. You can achieve salon quality results and create a gel-like high shine finish in just one step. You don't even need a UV light. That's how easy this polish is able to be applied. This collection by far have exceeded my expectations, and as I've said to you, they're not new to this channel, because I have an exclusive LA Colors playlist for you down in the description box and comment section below, sharing with you all a plethora of different looks that I have created by using the makeup line to the nail polish line. These gel polishes will definitely give your hands that salon finish manicured hand look. I kid you not. And like I said, you don't even need the UV light to make it happen, okay? And speaking of making it happen, this color right here, Lingerie, I absolutely love. It's giving me that kind of blush, rose-ish kind of pink glow going. But see how these two colors kind of similar to each other? This next one is called Darling. And Darling is really serving a nude vibe. I love the fact that I can easily apply this polish with one stroke. It dries down super fast, okay? My drying time is cut in half. And this one is called Daydream. And even with Daydream, it's giving me kind of like a, how do I say, concrete-esque type finish. I don't know. Comment down below on what this color resembles to you. Or matter of fact, just comment down below which color polish suits you the best. Or what would you wear this color polish with? I really want to get the comment section going. This last polish is called Seduce Me. And wait till you see this color when applied. It's serving a seducing vibe. Look at that. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. One stroke. No UV light needed. Oh my gosh. These gel polishes are definitely worth you all looking into. And just to recap, here is all of the polishes that I shared with you in this video. But out of all of them, these two right here were my absolute fave. And comment down below and let me know your thoughts about these gel polishes. So what did you dolls think? I absolutely love that entire collection, and not just because it's by LA Colors Cosmetics, no, but because LA Colors Cosmetics quality always rivals the designer brand or high-end brand of cosmetics that's out there. It gives you flawless looks without you having to break your bank, and that's why I respect and love most about LA Colors Cosmetics. But yeah, oh, and the gel nail polishes, I already got several videos which I will link for you down in the description box and comment section below. Therefore, matter of fact, I'll just include my dedicated exclusive LA Colors playlist for you down in the comment section and description box below, so you can see other looks that was created using LA Colors Cosmetics products, period. Yep. So on that note, this just concluded the video. Oh, please share with me which ones was your favorites or which ones you think you might actually give a try. I definitely look forward to reading your comments. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. And I'm gonna go put my collection away. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.